How's it everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Here is a quick and simple outdoor project. I built a clean modern foot wash station next to my faucet. It's perfect for washing your feet after working outside or coming back from the beach. Let's go! I started by cutting the wood for the borders of my wash station. The border consists of one 2x4 cut into 3 sections. To protect the border from water, I used a clear waterproof sealant. This keeps the natural wood look while sealing out moisture. I got this off of Temu. It comes out of the bottle thick, but it brushes on super easily. After about an hour, the sealant is dry to the touch. I'm gonna assemble my border using 2.5-inch wood screws. This right here is a sunoko, a traditional Japanese platform, typically made out of wood or plastic. You'll find these in a lot of Japanese homes. They're used for drainage and airflow. Now I'm gonna dig and level a small trench for my border to sit in. This summer really dried up my soil, so I'm just pouring some water to loosen the soil up a bit. I checked a few times to make sure everything was leveled. Wherever there was a low spot, I just leveled it with more soil. Now it's time to put my border down and set it in place. I'm just gonna check again and make sure everything's level. Then I'm gonna backfill and tamp everything down. Now I'll grab my sunoko and put it where I want it. Once I have my sunoko in place, I'm gonna move it back and forth. This is gonna leave an indent in the soil. This is so I know where to put the rocks in between the slats. I'll drive some U-pins over the slats to secure the sunoko in place. And that is it, a clean, modern foot wash station you can build in one afternoon. It's functional, easy to maintain, and keeps the dirt outside where it belongs. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And be sure to check out my other modern DIY builds. Until next time, mahalo and aloha.